Hello and welcome to the AV-Land video guide to the Onkyo TX-SR805. We're going to talk you through some of the features of this AV receiver. We're going to talk you through its on-screen menus and how to set it up. The Onkyo TX-SR805 has the new sound formats Dolby True HD and DTS HD Master Audio. These are superior to the previous formats as they implement lossless encoding. This AV receiver also supports the new THX technology Neural Surround, which works by decoding 5.1 audio from multi-channel information encoded and broadcast as stereo. Also for gaming, it will take a 7.1 soundtrack from a 5.1. You can see on the front here they've got the input selections under buttons as opposed to a dial on the left-hand side, and then you've got the volume knob there just on the right. On the bottom of the unit you've got the fold-down metal flap, which will come down after a gentle press. And you can see, as we zoom in there, there's the 1/4-inch headphone jack on the left-hand side, and then there's the power button just next to that. We've also got the input and zone controls, which you can just see as we pan across now. And then just on the right-hand side, you can see we've got the setup mic and front AV inputs. Okay, now we're going to take you inside the TX-SR805. Moving inside the TX-SR805, you can see at the front there's the HCPS, the high current power supply, and then just behind that we've got the large heatsink which spans across the width of the unit, which is attached to the 7 different amp modules, and in between those amp modules you can see there's the 2 main capacitors there. There's some more heatsinks just down on the other boards. And then we've got that silver box there is the tuner module, and then next to that we've got the video processing board, and there's the HDMI inputs there, and you can see the silicon image chip as well. These HDMI inputs are assignable, so you can sort of choose whether you want that to be DVD or game or TV. You can hook your Blu-ray discs or PlayStation 3 or Sky HD into that. This amplifier's got a power rating of about 130 watts per channel as well. So moving on to the rear of the unit now, you can see there we've got the RS232 port on the left hand side. This is for sort of custom install purposes, and then just underneath that you can see there's the coaxial and optical digital inputs for maybe hooking up an Xbox 360 audio or a DVD player or recorder. And then there's again the assignable HDMI inputs. There's the 3 inputs and 1 outputs for, say, television or PlayStation 3, and you got your 3 in 1 out component ones there. There's a phono connection and various different standard RCA audio inputs, and there's the multi-channel input and the pre-outs there as well. Moving down to the speaker terminals, you can see the surround back left and right next to the front left and right there for bi-amping. And then as we move into the centre one here, we can show you how to set your amp up for banana plugs. You just need to take a small screw and take out the small black bungs in the back of the speaker terminals there. See, it's just quite a simple process. Just take the screw out and now remove those black bungs, and you just then take your banana plugs, the standard 4mm banana plugs which are used for audio, and then just plug those into the back of the unit there. You can see just the positive and negative. Negative is usually black on amplifiers, so that's fine. These will give you superior sounds. They prevent cable degradation. Moving on to the menus of the unit now, you can see here we've got the HDMI monitor on and off, and here's the HDMI input where you could assign your HDMI to be sort of DVD or VCR or game or TV, and then there's the component video input where you can do much the same there. Then you can assign your different digital audio inputs to your different inputs on there, and then there's the analog multi-channel. And then moving on to the speaker menu, there's just the general speaker settings to start with, just sort of your type of speakers and your impedance. Then your configuration for frequencies, and the distance configuration just to set up how your room's set up, and different level settings for the different channels. General equalisation, and then the THX specific settings after that. And then just moving on to the It's the audio adjust menu. You've got the tone controls for each different channel there, and then there's the direct, which is the DCD or SACD settings, and then you've got your various different audio format settings there. You see the Dolby Digital Pro Logic 2X and DTS Neo 6, and you got the, after that there's just the theatre dimensionals, and then the LFE level for each different audio format. LFE is the sort of low frequencies. And then your listening mode presets. So you've got the IntelliVolume, which is different levels for different inputs, your lip sync things, and the just changing the name of the inputs if you wanted to do that. And your listening mode presets after that, sorry. And then there's the just changing the presets for again your various audio formats there. You can see the new ones, True HD and DTS HD Master Audio. And it's just got the miscellaneous ones, which is just sort of volume setup, your muting levels and different zone controls on there, and then just the on-screen display setup as well. And after that, the hardware setup, where you've got your different sort of remote settings. And again, we've got some just some zone out settings after that. Then there's the tuner AM frequency configuration, and the subwoofer input sensitivity for analog multi-channel, and then just some HDMI settings. And then of course after that you've got the ability to lock your settings if you so choose. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this guide to the TX-SR805 AV receiver. If you'd like some more information on this product, you can find it on our website, www.avlands.co.uk. Thanks very much.